All right. So Mr. Millennial Mike swears that he has found the dumbest wholesaler ever. I want to be clear. Those are his words, not mine. So let's see what he has found.
This guy is a very interesting strategy for wholesaling. Now, I couldn't find the original video. What I found was another group of people reacting to this guy's video. So we're going to let him play. The video plays, and then I'm going to pause it where they do their reaction because obviously we want Mike's reaction. Mike, if you're ready.
Yeah, I guess I'm ready. I don't know what I'm going to watch.
I want to talk about how you can pay $50,000 to $100,000 over list price for properties listed on Zillow. Today, I offered $400,000 for a listing that was listed at $300,000.
Why? We're going to find out.
There's nothing special about the property, it's not historic, and it's definitely not worth $400,000 right now. However, in 5 years, it is going to be worth $400,000. So what I've done is I've structured monthly payments to pay out this $400,000. I'm paying $1,000 a month for the next 60 months, and then at 60 months, I owe them whatever's left over. That's called the balloon. Now, the property produces $2,500 a month, so we structured this to create $1,500 of cash flow per month. Now, I can take this structure and wholesale it for $25K profit.
And from there, it goes into their reaction. And if you want to see their reaction, either message me on Instagram or just look at Jay Pitts on TikTok. But Mike, tell me I'm wrong. That guy's not the dumbest. That's not the dumbest strategy you've ever heard.
So basically what he's doing is he's trying to overpay but get better terms, right? I've said all the time that if you give me my terms, I'll give you your price.
Right.
So the logic is sound. Unfortunately, having been doing this for a while, he hasn't given himself time. For example, the reason I have a problem with this is his 5 years. Mm-hmm. That's not enough time.
Right.
If he would say 20 years, it's a wonderful strategy.
Right.
I could say with pretty good confidence today that in my buy box, I would pay 20% more than current value if I could keep the payments artificially low for 20 years and pocket the spread. It's just a math formula.
Right.
So, it's a creative twist on price and terms. 5 years is way too short. But what was interesting is he clearly has buyers. He's saying he's going to sell this structure for a $25,000 hit. I don't know any investor worth half their salt that would buy that for 25 grand. 5 years is not enough. If it was 20 or better, 30, I could get behind that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, so I agree with you. I think that the biggest problem is the time frame. 5 years, bro. Like right. And real estate moves so slow that if you start to move into a downward spiral, it's going to take 5 years just to bottom out. You have to give yourself more time than that. So he's assuming that guaranteed he will not only have appreciation, but the $300,000 house to a $400,000 house, that's 33% appreciation in a 5-year period. And if not, then he has to come out of pocket, I guess, the difference and overpay for that house. But again, worst case scenario is it holds flat or goes down in value. He did create good cash flow for himself, but I think that if it was really that good, he would just hold it. But even he knows.
It's a foreclosure waiting to happen. That's a foreclosure.
I better sell this thing. I don't want this. I got to sell this to an out-of-state investor who doesn't know what's going on.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, real estate is a price and terms game. If you want your price, you get my terms. If I get my terms, you can have your price. It's all one and the same. So it's a creative twist done badly in this video.
Right. All right, Mike. That was all of the videos, all of the questions that we had for today. Got nothing else for you.
Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. And I appreciate all the work you do for the channel.